Hey everyone, welcome to another review. Today I'm working on an ORECK XL Silver Edition. That's what this one is. And the beater bar needs replaced. So I ordered in a beater bar, and let me flip this over and we'll get this thing installed. Should make a big difference. The bristles on this one is well worn. So it's time to replace it. This is like, I don't know, 15 years old. And I could not find the number that was on this. And I'm going to show you that number here in a moment. But I could not locate it. But this replacement that I have is supposed to fit the XL. So we're going to find out. So the number that I tried to locate is right down here. It's the model, you can see it right here, U4200H24. I looked everywhere for that and I could not locate it. But again, this one is supposed to fit the XL model. So let me flip this around where we can get the camera on it and we'll get it replaced. Okay, so here we are on the bench and we need to get this roller bar out. First thing, warning, you don't have to take this metal bar off. A lot of people will do that, but it's not necessary. This little bar has nothing to do with removing our roller. And this video is all about removing the roller. That's what we're going to deal with. So you have 5 holes in this bottom housing. Here, here, up here, in the middle, and on this side. So we want to take those 5 screws out. Okay, so these are all loosened up enough. This bottom cover should slide right out. And remember now, those screws are down in those holes. So I'm just going to take it over here and set it off to the side. Okay, so you can see on this model, the XL Silver, is the belt is over on this side. And the vacuum actually works. The motor turns the vacuum and it actually draws your dirt in right here where this V is. So as this is spinning, all that dirt's heading to this V and it's getting vacuumed out right here. So all we need to do is pull our belt off, and then this will slide right out of the housing. And just like that, it's out. And you want to clean all this out in here. So I will wipe that down and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're ready to go in. And you can see there's plastic ends on here next to the drive pulley area. And what we're going to do is we're going to slide it right into these slots, both sides. We're going to just line it up on both sides and just push it in all the way until it seats all the way in. There is no click or anything. It will just stop. Okay, so we're all the way in flush. Now, on the belt, I leave the belt on like this on purpose, and it's easy to change this out. But all we're going to do is we're going to lift this up around this pulley like this, and then we're going to hold it like that with my thumb. And then all we're going to do is turn the roller itself, and it will roll that belt right on to the drum. Everything looks fine, and we're on. Now all we need to do is put our bottom plate back on. And to put the bottom plate on, all we're going to do is go straight on, drop our screws in. I'm going to start this top one in the center, and then we'll just run all of the screws in. And these don't have to be real tight, guys. Just get them in there, get them snug, and they'll be fine. Okay, so they're all in there and they're not snugged yet. Little tip for you, for everyone. Most of you car mechanics know this about torquing lug nuts on a wheel, but don't start at one and go completely around it. Go diagonal across and it will seat down much better, more evenly. So let's start up here. Okay, just like that, it's all down. Everything's moving freely, and we should be all set to go. Okay, so everything works like new again. I've got the affiliate link in the description below. If you're having problems finding one for your ORECK XL, I believe this one will probably work for you. Guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.